Hey guys, welcome back. There's another diamond painting over here. So yeah, this is supposed to be from the Meian official store. I've ordered from them before, I know, and I really enjoyed the last diamond painting I did from them. So I figured I'd place another order. I paid 20 euros and 16 cents for this diamond painting, and it's supposed to be a 50 by 67 centimeter canvas, and I ordered this on May 1st and it got here June 11. So it's about 5-6 weeks, which again is very common this time. So yeah, you can already tell this box has been through a lot. So but you know, let's see what it looks like underneath all that plastic. Okay, so we have a black box. This is really like, yeah, an elephant sat on this one. Looks very bent, but you know, okay, this is torn as well. Let's just see what we have on the inside. That's it. Okay, so I have two, oh my god, this has been through, look, it's like torn open, probably because of this guy. But yeah, we have two toolkits, and okay, there are like a ton of bags in these toolkits. The green boats, these tiny green boats, are not really my favorite, but there's like a huge piece of wax, a single placer, and a 7 placer. I don't know if I can show you that it says 7. Can I show you that it says 7? I'm not sure if you can see that, but it says 7. We have, oh, I use these all the time. The little labels to put on your baggies or your, yeah, however you prepare for diamond painting. It's really like a lot, I feel like. Should we count them? Too much to count? Okay, hold on. I really want to count these. And these are pretty big, actually. I'm just going to count them. Hold on. 30 bags. 30 bags times 2, because I can see there's like just as many bags in this toolkit. Okay, and we've got the tweezers separate. These are not the very cheap tweezers. These are very sturdy, with not such a huge sharp end. It's kind of like an oval shape. Okay, wow. So far impressed with the toolkits. Very complete. Especially if you're just starting out, this is everything you need. So let's check. Okay, mute your phone if you're not into the whole tinkling noise. Okay, so this is just like my last time I ordered a diamond painting from them, it is a poured glue canvas. Let me just unroll this. It's actually, of course, going to be quite large. 50 by 70. Ooh, that's a lot of drills. Okay, what do we have here? We have the list of the drills. And we don't really get to see what this is about. The ink was running out, like that's kind of it's not like very clear. But this is okay. This is more than I got last time. I guess a lot of people asked for an inventory sheet or something. So they came up with this, which is always great if a seller wants to improve. So yeah, it is dented, but this is not gonna in fact affect the final look of the diamond painting. Let me just switch it around so you can see. These are two cute bunnies, and there's a moon, very big moon, and yeah, just lots of flowers down here. If this is not my first unboxing you're watching, you're probably noticing a theme. Most of my diamond paintings are going to be about animals because I just love animals. Okay. There's a drill underneath. Huh. I wonder if it came from here. Nope. The drills look great. Okay, so this has 45 colors. It's a 50 by 67 size canvas. Oh, I can never get this right. I don't know. What is up with that? Okay. So yeah, this is it doesn't look so good, but my experience with this kind of like creases is that once you start working on the painting, they just somehow just disappear. It's weird. Now there is a lot of air underneath here, so I have to fix that. Better now? Yeah, better now. Okay, so wow. Okay. So let's look at the drill field. Yeah. It is clear, but I always use the iPad anyway, so it's not really an issue to me. But when I look at like where the flowers are, I don't know if you can sort of get an idea of what it looks like. It's a lot of confetti. So, but yeah. Okay, what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna change the angle again, and we're gonna look at the drills. This is a round painting. Did I mention that? It's a round. Most of my paintings are square, and I love to do a round like once in a while to just change it up. So yeah, don't go anywhere. Okay, new angle. I just wanted to show you these kits up close. Again, these are yeah, very complete, and I really like it. So they're completely identical, and these are the tweezers. I'll show you the tip up close. As you can see, it's not that sharp. These are actually great to not really to use for round diamond paintings, but for the square they're awesome. Okay, so we have our inventory sheet, and I was just having a little look. Apparently they have bags of 500 drills. Okay, I'm kind of shocked. There's no 310 in this diamond painting. Really? Okay, so we have so they have bags of like 500. That's what I see here. You see, this is what you actually need, and this is how much you get because they use 500 bags. And yeah, that is easy to count though. The color we have the most is 820. I have no idea what color that is, but we're gonna find out. And 762. We're gonna see. But they do give a lot of extras because of the 11,000 I got of 820. I only need 9,277. So again, mute your phone if you don't want to hear the tinkle. Okay. So, did I say 820? Okay, obviously it's a dark blue color. Okay, so these are all separate bags. They're not connected to each other, which is okay. It's fine. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Are these really 500 pieces in here? Maybe. And this should be, what, like 1,000? That is not 500 if this is 1,000. You know what? We're just gonna assume that what is on this sheet here actually is correct. So, okay. Let's get a pen and let's just get into the first one. We have 3047. I need 125 drills, and yeah, they say there are 500 in this bag. Let me just show you the drills up close. They look very good. There's not a lot of trash. I don't see any issues at all. And no, they're not staticky. That is something I really can't stand. Okay, so that's number one. We have 820. Okay, let's just see how many of these we have. 3. Nope. 4, that's it. How many am I supposed to need? 11,000. Okay, you know what? Never mind. Let's just finish some others first. Okay, so 3064. This is 3064. I need 133 of this. We have 553. I need 153 of these. $7.97. I need 3,000. I'm making things way too hard on me. Okay, 800. Is this all I have for the 800? Bags are like all over the place, everywhere. No, let's just... Okay, let's just do the singles first. 150. I need 117 of these. This is a nice color, by the way. Oh yes, is this 550? 156, I need these. I don't know, 550. I thought it was more vibrant than this. Okay. 907. I need 116. Recolor it up. 912. I need 118. 3052. I need 96. 799. Nope. I need over 1,000 of those too. Okay, 208. I'm guessing I should have, okay, I have 2 of those. This is 209, 209. Yeah. Okay, so I got 2 bags of the 208. That is, so this is supposed to be 1,000. And I need 642. The 209. Again, 2 bags, so this is supposed to be 1,000, and I need 477. I'm really curious how many are supposed to be in here. Is it like, I really don't know. We're gonna figure it out though. Okay, 992. Okay, I need 141. 809. Yeah, 809, 809. Okay, so I have 3 of these. 809. It's supposed to be 1,500. I need 993. I have 800 here. 3. Is that all I need? No, I need another one. Okay, so maybe the big bags are supposed... This is a total different bag in here. Okay, never mind. Maybe the big bags are supposed to be like 3,000 or something? I don't know. Okay, so we need of 800, we need 2,000. So I have 4 bags. So, and I need 1,557 of these. This is pretty. 3607. 149 I need of this pretty pink. Okay, we have 780. 780. I need 113. 832. I need 110. 838. I need 117. What else do we have here? 356. I need 110. 413. I need 200. 7.99. Okay, so I need 7.99. Supposed to get 2,000, so I should have 4 of these bags. Let's do 3. And 4. 7.99. I need 1,500 of these, so you're getting a lot of extras. Now let's look at this. What is this? I feel like this was once like it's supposed to be a huge bag, drills. Now 703. Okay, I need 127. So this should be enough. What's this? 3846. Okay, 3846. Pretty blue. Need 140. 3814. Need 287. I like these blue greenish color. 3810. I need 360. 803. 803. Okay, I need 1,000, so I should have 2 of these. Very, very dark. Here we go. 803. Very dark blue. I love it. I need 860, so 1,000 should be plenty. Okay, I have 210. Oh, these are supposed to be 2,000. No, I don't know. Okay, so it says 210. I need 1,564, so they gave me 2,000. I got this huge bag, so I don't know if that means that these are 2,000. Let's keep that in mind. 648. 126 needed. 318. 150 needed. 163. 176 needed. 2,772. 139. 890. I need 123. Are we almost there? Oh, this is pretty. That is very pretty. Look at that. 718. 116. See, oh, it was torn, so they packed it like this. That's nice. 938. Wait. What? I already had the 938. It's 838. Did I make a mistake? Yeah, I'm not. Okay, so they actually made a little mark over here with the 938. I need 112, so this should be like so plenty. And yet another bag. Okay, 152. I need 95 of this beautiful coral color. 3348. 3348. 145. 3755. 187 I need. Okay, so let's see what is left here. We have this one and this one and this one. 762. Okay. 762, I need 7,000. So I got 3 bags. But the other one said that one bag was 2,000. So that would mean I'd be 1,000 short. But I only need 7,500. So, you know what? We're just gonna mark it. Let's move on. So this is 939. I need 5,000 of them. So this is supposed to be 5,000. So maybe one bag is like 2,500. Anyway, I don't even need 4,000. So again, plenty, 7.99. I already had 7.99. Guessing it's extra. So we have, oh, this is such a vibrant blue. 995. Is that all we have? 995. Again, we need 5,000. So yeah, I'm guessing these are 2,500 bags. 993. I need 183. Oh, we have a yellow A34. 110. Okay, so let's assume the A20 is 2,500. That would mean I have 10,000 of those. But it says I should have 11,000. But yeah, I only need 9,200, so you know what? Let's forget about it. Okay, so we have 797. I need 3,000. You know, it's very confusing. Because now I'm starting to think this is a bag of 3,000. Okay, I'm really not missing anything new. Okay, so we should have 2 left. 1, 2, 996. Again, I need 2,300. I should get 3,000. I have 1 bag. You tell me. And we have finally 798. This should be 5,000. Like I said, very confusing. I only need 4,000, so I'm good. Okay, so yeah, everything is here. The drills look amazing. They really do. And yeah, this will be nice. When I finish my next square diamond painting, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna want to do a round one for a change. And I don't know what is up with it, but I feel like round diamond paintings, I finish like way faster than square. I don't know. Okay, enough babbling. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here, and be safe, stay healthy, and we'll talk soon.